Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your prescription and that there are no contraindications. This protects you. Once cleared, place the penguin cap in the freezer to the recommended temperature, typically around -25°C, and wait at least 1 hour so the coolant equilibrates. Make sure your hair is dry, then put on the silicone liner and position the cap snugly over the scalp. Set the session timer for the initial 20 to 30 minutes, and check seal and comfort before starting the cool down. You need to manage each treatment interval actively. Fit the cap so it is snug and contact is even across the scalp. Use straps or clips to eliminate gaps that reduce efficacy. Replace the cap with a pre-chilled unit every 20 to 40 minutes as your protocol requires, because coolant effectiveness declines. During sessions, monitor the skin for excessive redness or frostbite signs, note any pain, and record temperatures and times. If you feel numbness or severe discomfort, pause. When the final interval ends, remove the cap slowly and inspect your scalp for persistent redness, blistering, or frost damage. Mild redness is common, but anything worse needs attention. Clean and dry the silicone liners as instructed, then store caps upright in the freezer so they remain ready. Rotate pre-chilled units to avoid gaps between intervals. If you experience severe pain, prolonged numbness, or visible skin injury, stop immediately and contact your clinician. This is the key troubleshooting step to protect your scalp and overall treatment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.